Okay, look, I just got a shipment of plants, and one of them is a Euphorbia francoisii or something. Anyway, something. So what I'm going to do, this is a plant that I'm going to repot today. Okay, beautiful plant, but don't like plastic. Plastic sucks ass. I don't like plastic because it doesn't do good for regulation of heat, temperature. What I've got here is a good mix of potting mix and pumice and some Osmocote. Okay, so that's what I've got. Okay, very gritty, high drainage, low retention of water. That's the key. So I'm just gonna repot this. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna see if I can use this method. Usually this method works if the soil is able to be compacted enough. But when it comes to gritty soil, it's not always easy, but if you compact it, then you should be able to. Okay. What I do is I make a rough mold of the pot. Okay, make a rough mold of the pot like this. It's a little trick of mine. And I take it out, and hopefully the structural integrity stays. Mostly it has, you can see it there. And then I loosen this up. Nope, that's not going to stay. So there you go. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put pumice in the bottom here, just to keep the structure going. So bear with me while I do that. I'll be back. Hold that thought. I've recently started finding that putting pumice on the topsoil prevents erosion and helps with watering. When you water it, it doesn't create pits in the soil and all that stuff. So I just want to put pumice, and pumice is a mix of stone as well. There's some stone bits in there, obviously. And then I put a little bit more of this. So I don't want the roots to be exposed. I saw it was a little bit exposed. There. And then I'm going to water that deep. Let it drain. And bring it inside. There we go. All this brown shit is actually going to go away. Okay?